Good morning, all of you, and welcome to Gyan Jyoti online classes. And today we will discuss the exercise of chapter number 11, verbs. Okay, of your English grammar book. So open page number 64, chapter 11, verbs, and look at these objects. Okay, here in the yellow colored box, 3 pictures are given. Okay, and we have to identify these pictures and write the correct form for these pictures, correct verb form for these pictures. Okay, the first one here is, it is a picture of image of an aeroplane. So what aeroplane does? It flies. So aeroplane flies, or we can write aeroplane is flying. Okay, and the alarm bell rings. Number 2, the telephone is ringing or rings. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से तुमको क्या है लिखना है. Then see the next page, that is page number 66. Underline the main verbs and encircle the helping verbs in these sentences. तो यहाँ पर हमको क्या करना है, मेन वर्ड्स को क्या करना है, अंडरलाइन करना है, और हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स को सर्कल करना है. हेल्पिंग वर्ब को सर्कल और मेन वर्ब को अंडरलाइन करना है. ओके, अंडरलाइन the main verb and encircle the helping verb. So see the first sentence. I am making a card for my teacher. I am making a card for my teacher. For my teacher. Okay, I am making a card for my teacher. Okay, so which one is the main verb here? Main verb is making. Okay, while the helping verb is am. So in the sentence, in the heading what I have written, underline the main verb. Main verb को क्या करना था, underline करना था. ठीक है ना. तो ये क्या है, main verb है. ठीक है, और ये क्या है, helping verb है. ठीक है. Number 2, Smita is working hard for her examination. Smita is working hard for her examination. For her examination. Okay. Smita is working hard for her examination. So, which one is the main verb here? The main verb is working, while the helping verb is. ठीक है ना. यहाँ पे मेन वर्ब जो है वो क्या है, वर्किंग है, और हेल्पिंग वर्ब जो है वो इज है. So here main verb is working while the helping verb is. And see number 3, they are performing in front of a large audience. They are performing in front of a large audience. They are performing in front which one is the helping verb? Helping verb is are and main verb is performing. जो मेन वर्क क्या है, मेन जो काम कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना, मेन जो वर्क हो रहा है वो क्या है, परफॉर्मिंग, मतलब वो काम कर रहे हैं, वर्किंग मतलब कोई काम कर रहे हैं, वो मेन वर्ब होता है, और उसको हेल्प करने वाला क्या है, हेल्पिंग वर्ब होता है, ठीक है ना। स्मिता वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर हर एग्जामिनेशन, ये क्या है, सेंटेंस इनकरेक्ट होगा। अगर उसके साथ हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब को लगाएंगे, स्मिता इज वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर हर एग्जामिनेशन, तो क्या वो सेंटेंस एक करेक्ट फॉर्म होगा, करेक्ट क्या है, सेंटेंस होगा, ठीक है ना, उसका ऑर्डर क्या है, ठीक रहेगा, करेक्ट रहेगा। नंबर 4, अमेरिका वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय क्रिस्टोफर कोलंबस इन 1942। अमेरिका वाज discovered by Christopher Columbus in 1492. Okay, America was discovered by Christopher Columbus in 1942। तो यहाँ पर मेन वर्ब क्या है, डिस्कवरी करना, ठीक है ना, वो डिस्कवर कर चुका है, इसलिए डिस्कवर्ड हुआ, ठीक है ना। And here was is the helping verb. Okay, discovered is the main verb while was is the helping verb. Okay, let's see the next sentence. Number 6. They were arguing with the hotel manager. They were arguing with the hotel manager. Okay, so which one is the main verb? Arguing, and helping verb where? Ankita has written a poem for the competition. Ankita has written a poem for the competition. So your written is your main verb while has is your helping verb. They have decorated the room. Okay, so here decorated is the main verb while have is the helping verb. My father had submitted the bills on time. Okay, my father had submitted the bills on time. So here submitted is the main verb while had is the helping verb. Okay, in the sentence the verb which helps the main verb is called helping verb, while the main action done is by the main verb. Okay, तो मेन काम है, मेन वर्क जो है वो मेन वर्ब करता है, ठीक है ना, हेल्पिंग वर्ब सिर्फ उसको क्या है, एक हेल्प करता है, ठीक है। Then see the practice section. Complete these sentences by selecting the most appropriate verb. यहाँ पे क्या है, सेंटेंस दिया, सेंटेंस में क्या ब्लैंक्स भी दिया हुआ है, और उसके लिए क्या है, 3 ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं, ठीक है ना, और उन्हीं 3 ऑप्शंस में से तुमको क्या है, करेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब को क्या है, टिक करना है, ठीक है ना, या फिर तुम क्या ब्लैंक में लिख भी सकते हो। practice number A. Okay. Okay. Complete this sentences by selecting the most appropriate verb. Complete these sentences by selecting the most appropriate verb. Okay. So first one here is the soldiers dashed together at the Republic Day parade. The soldiers marched. The soldiers marched together at the Republic Day parade. Number 2. Dark clouds dashed in the sky before it started raining. Okay, dark clouds gathered in the sky before it started raining. Number 3. The parrot dashed out of the cage. The parrot flew out of the cage. Number 4. The boat dashed down the river. The boat sailed down the river. The boat sailed down the river. Number 5. The teacher dashed the posters on the wall. The teacher hung the posters on the wall. Hung the posters on the wall. Number 6. The family dashed the picnic by the river side. The family enjoyed the picnic by the river side. The family enjoyed the picnic by the river side. Number 7. The sun dashed in the east. Sun rises in the east. Number 8. Sakshi dashed her best before time. Sakshi ended her test. Okay, ended her test before time. Birds dashed into flowers. Birds bloomed into flowers. Okay, first one is marched, gathered, flew, sailed, hung, enjoyed, rise, ended, bloomed. Okay, so you have to take down all these words, or you can fill these words in the blanks. Okay, then see number B. Complete these sentences with the opposites of the highlighted verbs. Okay, so here we can here you can see the highlighted words. Okay, here we see the highlighted words like lost, refused, likes, won, remembers, shut, accepted, departed, rewarded. So we have to write down the opposite, okay, of these highlighted words. ये जो highlighted words हैं opposite words क्या है हमको लिखने हैं, opposite लिखने हैं, ठीक ना। highlighted words के opposite क्या है उसको लिखना है, कहाँ पर, blank में लिखना है, ठीक है। नंबर बी, ओके, तो हेडिंग में लिख रहा हूँ, सिर्फ क्या है आंसर लिख रहा हूँ। I thought I lost my book, but today I dashed it in my friend's bag. I thought I lost. Okay, so what is the opposite of lost? Opposite of lost is found. So write this word found in the blank. I thought I lost my book, but I found it in my friend's bag. Number 2. Tia refused to go to Simla, but Jia dashed. Opposite of refused is agreed. Okay, opposite of refused is agreed. Okay, so Tia refused to go to Simla, but Jia agreed. Number 3. Sibrat likes to watch television but dash reading books. Opposite of like is dislike. Dislikes. Simran likes to watch television but dislikes reading books. Number 4. The team won the match in the semi-final. The team won the match in the semi-final but dash in the finals but lost. So opposite of won is lost. Ritu remembers the faces of people but usually dash their names. Opposite of remembers is what? Forgets. Okay, Ritu remembers the faces of people but usually forgets their names. Number 6. Shut all the doors but dash the window. Opposite of shut is open. Okay, open. Shut all the doors but open the windows. Most of the members accepted the proposal and only a few dash it. So what is the opposite of accepted? The opposite of accepted is rejected. Okay, so here most of the members accepted to the proposal and only a few rejected it. That's number 8. The train departed late but dash on time. The train departed late but arrived on time. So what is the opposite of departed? Arrived. Number 9. We are always rewarded for our good deeds. Okay, we are always rewarded. We are given some gifts, some medals for our good deeds and dash for our bad ones, and we are also what? Punished for our bad ones. So opposite of rewarded is punished. Okay, so each and every person are awarded. So each and every person is awarded for his good deeds, but also he is rewarded for his he is punished for his bad deeds. ओके, तो तुमको क्या करना है? ये जो वर्ड्स हैं, अपोजिट वर्ड्स, उनको क्या ब्लैंक्स में लिखना है. ओके, तो अपोजिट ऑफ लॉस्ट इज फाउंड. ओके, ओके, देन अपोजिट ऑफ रिफ्यूज इज एग्रीड, लाइक इज डिसलाइक. ओके, वन इज लॉस्ट. ओके, रिमेंबर इज फॉरगेट. ओके, number 6. Okay, is sorry I have written okay. Number 6. Shut all the doors but open the windows. Okay, so opposite of shut is open. Okay, accepted is rejected. Arrived okay, departed is arrived, while rewarded is punished. ठीक है ना? तो नंबर 6 में क्या है, इसको चेक कर लो. ठीक ना? शट का ओपन है, ओपन है, उसको भी क्या है मिस्टेकली क्या है बट लिख दिया. ठीक है. देन सी नंबर सी, रीड दिस सेंटेंसेस एंड स्टेट वेदर द हाइलाइटेड वर्ब्स शो एक्शन, बीइंग और ओनरशिप. ठीक है ना? यहाँ पे जो हाइलाइटेड वर्ड्स हैं वो क्या स्टेट करते हैं. ठीक है ना? कि वो एक्शन की और क्या है शो करते हैं, बीइंग शो करते हैं, कि ओनरशिप को शो करते हैं. ओके, so see number C, read these sentences and state whether the highlighted verbs shows action, being or ownership. Okay, action, being or ownership. So action that you know. Okay, action words. Being it means for self, and ownership जो है क्या है खुद के लिए. ठीक है ना? खुद के लिए इसका मतलब क्या है कि वो चीज़ ना खुद के लिए क्या है अपना हो. ठीक है ना? वो जो जिसका जो अपना होता है वो क्या ओनर कहलाता है. ठीक है ना? जैसे कि किसी का घर है. ठीक है ना? कोई घर किसी इंसान का क्या है, किसी पर्सन का क्या घर है, और वो घर में क्या है कुछ लोग रहते हो, गेस्ट रहते हैं, तो वो जो घर है वो ओनर का होगा, जो बनाया है. ठीक है ना? उसका ही वो होगा. जैसे कि मैंने क्या है एक मोबाइल खरीदा. ठीक है, मैं मोबाइल खरीदा तो मोबाइल का ओनर कौन होगा? मैं हुआ, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि वो मोबाइल मेरा है और उसी का नहीं है, ठीक है। सो हियर यू हैव टू स्टेट वेदर द हाइलाइटेड वर्ड्स आर एक्शन, बीइंग और ओनरशिप। ओके, सो आई एम नॉट राइटिंग द हेडिंग, ओके, आई एम राइटिंग ओनली द सेंटेंस। आई एम हैप्पी। नंबर 2, Anika does yoga every day. Number 3, Monal has only four toys. Number 4, the tiger is a wild animal. Okay, I was sick yesterday. Number 6, Mita had a doll when she was a child. Okay, so see the 6 sentences. First one, I am happy. So highlighted word is I. So am is being, एम क्या है, being है, ठीक है। अनिका डज योगा यस्टरडे, डज क्या है, एक एक्शन वर्ड है, ओके, डज क्या है, एक्शन को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, और एम को being यानी खुद के लिए क्या यूज किया गया है, ओके। मोनल हैज ओनली 4 टॉयज, ओके, मोनल हैज ओनली 4 टॉयज, so here has present the ownership, ओके, ओनरशिप मतलब जो टॉयज हैं वो किसके हैं, मोनल के, एक दूसरे के नहीं हो सकते। नंबर 4, द टाइगर इज, ओके, इज अ वाइल्ड एनिमल, सो इज रिप्रेजेंट द बीइंग, ओके, इज रिप्रेजेंट बीइंग। Number 5, I was sick yesterday, so here was represent being, was represent being. Mita had a doll when she was child. Mita had a doll when she was child, so had represent the ownership. क्या है, ओनरशिप है, ठीक है ना, जो डॉल है वो मीता के ही हैं। Number 7, Prachi did her brother's homework yesterday. Okay, Prachi did her homework yesterday. Number 8, kangaroos have a pouch in their stomach. Number 9, cricket and football are my favorite game. Number 10, Deepak is an obedient girl. So see here, the highlighted words are did, have, okay, are, is. ठीक है, ये सब क्या है वर्ड्स, और जो did है वो क्या है, did is an action word. Did is an action word, or did represent action, while have represent okay. Have represent what? Ownership. Ownership. Okay. Cricket and football are my favorite games. So here are is your what? Ownership. Or R belongs to, sorry, R belongs to mine. Sorry, being. R belongs to being. Okay. Deepa is an obedient girl. Okay, so here is belongs to being. Okay. Is belongs to being. For self. Okay. Okay, so here I am happy. Here I am present being. And Anika does yoga every day. Does represent action. Monal has only 4 toys. Has represent ownership. The tiger is a wild animal. Is represent being. I was sick yesterday. Was represent being. Mita had a doll when she was a child. Here had represent what? Ownership. Prachi did her brother's homework yesterday. Did represent action. Kangaroos have a pouch in their stomach. Have represent what? Ownership. Cricket and football are my favorite games. So here are represent being, and Deepa is an obedient girl. Here is represent being. Then see number D, fill in the blanks with the correct helping verb. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, correct helping verb हम लोग यूज करके क्या है blanks को fill up करेंगे. Okay. So see number D, that is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the correct helping verb. Number 1, it dash getting very old. ठीक है, इसमें कौन सा वर्ब यूज करेंगे, यहाँ पे हमको क्या है हेल्पिंग वर्ब का क्या है यूज करना है. कौन सा वर्ब? हेल्पिंग वर्ब, बिकॉज द मेन वर्ब इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द सेंटेंस. द मॉनसून dash arrived on time. I dashed worried about myself, about my result, about my result. Okay, I dash worried about my result. I hope okay. I hope he dash attended the conference in London. Arul dash developed here first question, first sentence, it dash getting very cold. It is getting very cold or it was getting very cold. It was getting very cold. ठीक है ना, तो it is getting cold भी लिख सकते हो, it was getting very cold भी लिख सकते हो. The monsoon dash arrived on time. The monsoon has arrived on time. I dash worried about my result. I was worried. Okay, I was worried about my result. I hope he dash attended the conference in London. I hope he has attended. He has attended the conference in London. Parul has developed a good sense of humor over time. Parul has developed a good sense of humor over time. ओके, तो फटाफट क्या है, तो जल्दी से क्या है अपने बुक में लिखो, उसके बाद में क्या कॉपी में नोट डाउन करना बाद में, ठीक है. Number 6, they dash preparing for the examinations. They dash got something exciting to tell you. Number 8, the president dash going to make an important announcement. Number 9, the cells in this library dash had many old books and journals. Okay, see these sentences. They dash preparing for the examinations. They are preparing for the examinations. Okay, I dash got something exciting to tell you. I have got something exciting to tell you. The president dash going to make an important announcement. The president is going to make an important announcement. The shelves in this library dash had many old books and journals. The shelves in this library have had many old books and journals. Okay, so in this way you have to note it down all the words. Okay, correct verbs, correct helping verbs. Okay, in this blanks. Okay, so that's all for the day. Hope you have understood it properly. So thank you and have a nice day. Stay safe and stay home and enjoy all the online classes and videos. Okay.